Hello everyone, welcome to VRR Tutorials. Today's topic is describing words. I have made many videos on describing videos. If you want to know them, please watch our previous videos. If you find this video is useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So let's go to the topic describing words, especially how we describe taste. Okay, we eat. Generally people we eat, so sometimes we feel tasty, sometimes we feel distaste, sometimes good, sometimes bad. So how we describe them, how we describe the taste using different adjectives. So the first one is scrumptious. Scrumptious, pronounced as scrumptious, okay, scrumptious, right? So which means delicious, scrumptious. So another word, okay, for delicious, right? They offered us a scrumptious meal. They offered us a scrumptious meal, which means it's very it's delicious, very tasty, very pleasing, right? So to my sense of taste. All right, next, so first one is scrumptious. So next one, luscious. Luscious means extremely pleasing, okay, the luscious meal, which means it attracts us, okay, luscious, it attracts us. Taste also sometimes attracts, right? So luscious, 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 okay. So this is also used for different thing, okay. That's for example, giving sexual appeal, okay. So the luscious lips of the woman, okay, the luscious lips of the woman. All right, so two luscious girls, which means they are sexually appealing, okay. So here it is different, even for the food also we can use it, luscious. So extremely pleasing, luscious, right, luscious. So the luscious meal, okay, which means so it's very pleasing, okay. Next one, palatable, okay, palate, palate, okay. So acceptable to the taste, acceptable to the taste, okay. It's very tasty, we can accept the taste. So our senses, especially sense of taste, we have sense, right? So it is actually acceptable. So palatable means acceptable. So the meal was palatable. The meal was palatable. So it is acceptable to the sense of the taste. Okay, it's palatable, right? So next, fourth one, right? Toothsome. This is also same. See, the same. Acceptable to the sense of taste. Acceptable to the sense of taste and to your mouth. It is toothsome. It means it's very nice to eat and you can enjoy it. So the chocolates are toothsome, right? The candies are toothsome. Okay, the food is toothsome. The burger is toothsome. These are the examples we can use, right? Toothsome, which means acceptable to the sense of taste. Acceptable taste. So you can eat it, right? So next, distasteful, which means distasteful, opposite to tasteful, right? Opposite to tasteful, which is not tasty, which is unpleasant to eat, okay. Distasteful, right? So this is distasteful, okay, I don't like it. This is distasteful, I don't like it at all, right? So my next one, savory means, see, pleasing to the sense of taste, the same, savory, pleasing to the sense of taste. Don't get confused with sour, okay, sour, okay. ఇది వేరు, ఓకే, ఇది నెగిటివ్, ఇది SA VOURY or ORY. So pleasing to the sense of taste. Okay, same. Okay, savory, it's savory. So you go to the restaurant. Okay, sometimes you go to the restaurant, so the waiter comes to you and he serves food. So he asks, sir, how is the food? You can actually you can use these many words. Okay, it's scrumptious, it's scrumptious, it's delicious. Okay, it's luscious. Okay, it's palatable, it's toothsome. Right? If it is not good, you can say it's distasteful. Right? It's distasteful. And also they can use opposite, unsavory, which means it's not good at all. Unsavory. Next, appetizing. You know, appetizing means stimulate appetite. It stimulates. It stimulates your appetite. Okay? When you see that food or when you smell the aroma, aroma in the sense, good flavor. Okay? Original flavor or good flavor of the food. Okay? When you actually smell that or when you see that, actually it appetizes you. Okay, so it's appetizing. Okay, it's appetizing, which means stimulating appetite, by smelling it or by tasting it. Right? So it's appetizing. So opposite is unappetizing, exactly opposite that, unappetizing, so which is not good. And చూడనప్పుడే you just went back because it is unappetizing. Right? Unappetizing. So these are the describing words of taste. So if you have any queries related to this, please post in our query group. Thank you for watching.